In embedded systems, two popular communication protocols dominate, I²C and SPI. Both transfer data between microcontrollers and peripherals, but they do it in very different ways. I²C, or Inter-Integrated Circuit, uses just two wires, SDA for data and SCL for the clock. Every device on the bus has a unique address, allowing a single master to talk to multiple slaves, or even multiple masters in some cases. Communication begins with a start condition, followed by the device address, read-write bit, and then the data. I²C is great for connecting several low-speed sensors with minimal wiring. SPI, or Serial Peripheral Interface, uses four main lines: MISO, MOSI, SCLK, and CS or SS. It's full duplex, meaning data can flow in both directions at the same time. SPI is faster than I²C, but it requires more pins, especially if you have multiple devices, since each needs its own chip select line. I²C's advantages are simple wiring, addressing support for many devices, and good noise resistance over short distances. The downside is slower speeds, typically up to 400 kHz, with some devices reaching 1 MHz or more in Fast Mode Plus. SPI's advantages include very high speed, tens of megahertz in many cases, and full duplex communication. However, it uses more pins, and wiring can become messy when connecting many devices. Common I²C uses: temperature sensors, displays, and EEPROMs. Common SPI uses: SD cards, high-speed ADCs and DACs, and displays needing fast updates. Here's the quick decision rule. If you have many devices that don't need to send large amounts of data quickly, like sensors in a weather station, choose I²C. If you need fast communication with one or a few peripherals, like streaming data from an SD card, choose SPI. In the end, the right choice depends on your project's speed needs, number of devices, and available pins on your microcontroller.